see a burnout. I want to see
we got all kind of fun out here. We got Bob Blancy out here on the fucking four-wheelers. We got this guy here on the fucking mini bikes. We got all kinds of good stuff going on. There goes Bobby. Ray, look at my zoom. Big boy gonna move that bike. Look at him. Oh, he's hauling balls.
Oh yeah.
Look at Bill.
Don't kill him, Bill.
Yeah. Shit, get your hands and legs tired though when your arms are going.
Oh, I love it.
Fucking arms are to work out. Fuck yeah.
Where's he at? I hear him. I don't
could
see
imagine
him.
me that fucking dirt bike with me on it, dude. I would fun. Jump it.
Whoa! Oh!
Oh shit.
You got it on camera?
Yeah.
I was getting Bob.
I got it on camera. Are you okay, guy? God damn! Yeah, he did.
Rewind that, man. Let's see that.